Hello everyone, welcome back to Lin Dui Kwong's channel. In today's video, I'll answer a student's question. When printing a pattern, how can you make the seam line and the internal line appear as dashed lines? If you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, please subscribe to support Lin Dui Kwong's channel. Now please open the Macplot section for me. This is the section where you process the pattern so it can be sent to the printer. Next, right-click on the annotation section and select Open. If you want to change the internal lines and the seam lines to dashed lines, please pay close attention to this. For the internal lines, which are specifically labeled as Label I, you should carefully change them to LT2 for me. Now, if you also want to change the seam line to a dashed line, simply click on Label S and then change LT1 to LT2 for me as well. Just like that. After that, save your changes. Then close this window. Now, click Process. Select Yes to all, and proceed to open up the plotter control panel. Next, open the file that you have just exported as a PLT file. Now you can immediately see that the internal contour and the seam line have become dashed lines, and if you find my video helpful, please consider sharing it on your personal Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to help support Lin Dui Kwong's channel. Alright, goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.